Marksmen from the Air Force's Northeast Area Sports Conference vie for top honors in the Air Force pistol match and elimination. 11 teams take part. The .45 caliber pistol is the match piece. This is one of 11 eliminations held around the world. Those who emerge as team and individual champions fire again the same day for Air Force-wide laurels. Their scores are compiled by the National Rifle Association. Totals are then sent to headquarters Usaf, where the Air Force champs are named. The rules are strict and the competition tough. .45 caliber slugs shred the bullseyes with marked consistency. It's top-notch shooting from men in blue all over the world.